Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Looks like that driver trying to take the far left lane was a bit too distracted.
Okay, great.
What in the hell are you doing? Robert?
You might call me an idiot, but I'm not reckless.
A few moments later.
If there's a road, it's mine. Don't mind me, just on my way to get my daily dose of a mini heart attack. This idiot in front of me was on his phone, swerving and not paying attention. This must have been painful to experience. The karma is unreal. Please tell me where this is so I can avoid it. I think the driver in front of me needs new pants after this one.
Two hours later.
This is a brave move for such a small car. This Porsche driver does a double yellow multi-vehicle overtake on a blind canyon turn. Worst place and time to overtake.
Holy f***! You have to yield! Holy shit!
Does this school bus driver thinks his stop signs give him right of way? Either a victim of a thick A-pillar or just an idiot driver. How are you going to brake check a dump truck? Insurance says I'm at fault and still won't pay the $30,000 to fix my truck. Saved me a lot of hassle with insurance and the police, at least.
Of concentration, and then picked up the glasses again.
Gotta be the dumbest motorcyclist ever to brake check a car. This idiot attempts an overtake and crashes.
Oh, man. That's what he got.
Bro, why? Why did you do it, bro? Why, bro?
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.